Hello everyone. My name is Gnanaraju. I'm a 20K Senior Executive President member representing Herbalife Nutrition as an independent associate working for last 17 years. And because of my experience as a certified nutrition fitness consultant and a wellness coach, I wanted to share you with this wonderful information. And many people keep on asking us about this frequently asked question called what is the difference between obesity clinics and Herbalife approach, and what is the difference between Herbalife and Sana Belts, and what is the difference between massage therapy and Herbalife? Meaning, can I not lose weight at obesity clinics? Why to go to Herbalife nutrition coach? And why not I get it through Sana Belts and rather than Herbalife? Why not I lose some weight by massage therapy rather than Herbalife? It looks like simple, but it's not. In one sentence I can tell you like this: there are four weights are there. One is muscle weight, bone weight, water weight, and fat weight. Right? In the weight is equal to four weights: muscle weight, bone weight, water weight, and fat weight. You should not lose the muscle weight, because most of the liver, heart, and visceral organs made up of muscle. So the soft muscle will go away. In future it will create a lot of problems. So if you don't give proper diet, proteins and vitamins and minerals, you lose that muscle weight. And you should not disturb the bone weight. If you don't give enough food, proper nourishment to the bones, so you end up in arthritis and long-term, old age kind of problems. And water weight, 70% of the body weight is made up of water. So now most of the time in the obesity clinics, what you lose is water weight, not the fat weight. Sometimes you may lose few fat percentage or weight, but mostly you also lose the muscle and bone and water, which is vital for your health. So if you catch the thief, so theft won't happen next time. So it's going to be a permanent affair. If you don't catch the thief, then thief keeps on robbing you every day. So you lose the patience, you lose mental peace, and daily one thing in the house will be robbed. So what about massager loses weight than the the client. You remember, so suppose you think I am massaging you, so I am losing calories, not you. Okay, I lose more weight than you. So it's not the massager. So what is going to happen in the massager is massaging thing. You blood circulation will improve, and under the skin some water will be that may go through toilet, and some toxins may go through, because skin pores may become open, but doesn't mean you lose the fat. Why? Because in Sana belt also by and large the same thing. Water loses, when you keep the heat pads, Sana belt, through battery or through apply in the plug, current will pass through, and naturally body gets heated because of heat. The heat pads, same thing happens in the obesity clinics. They apply you the heat pads and connect to a heater power. Naturally body steams up, humes up, heated up. So naturally brain starts sending water from the body, because 70% of the weight is made up of water, into the skin, so that body will not burn. So naturally that water goes away. The people, lot of sweat will come, keep on rubbing, wiping off with towels. That's what exactly happens in obesity clinics and Sana belts and massage therapy, by and large same. And water will not dissolve in fat. Remember, chemistry wise, biochemistry says water is soluble in water, fat is soluble in fat. Oil will not get dissolved in the water. Remember. So all the time remember this. So people think by heating up your body through sweat, fat will go down. No, it will not happen. Through toilet, fat will go down. No, it will not go down. So only fat goes through, only calories burning. Remember, like a candle, how when you burn the candle, how the energy goes away and the candle becomes small. Same thing happens to your body. Mitochondria in the body makes that when your calorie deficit is there, that burns the fat and converts into energy through ATP cycle, right? So same thing happens, but many people are not aware of what is happening. They just blind belief at the obesity clinic. They give publicity, they show 2-3 pictures, and they don't show a lot of pictures. They only show 2-3 pictures, keep on showing you publicity. But there are no scientific evidence regarding these obesity clinics, and they don't show you any much proofs. Only because a dietitian, they give you a small dieter in the obesity clinics, because a low calorie diet, that actually may be helpful. The low calorie diet is nothing but you are basically starving yourself, cutting down the food. When the food itself is not balanced, hamara khana balanced nahi, to then how, when you're cutting down, you further have the nutritional gaps. So this is what I'm telling you. Don't believe all that, and don't lose the muscle and bone and water. Lose the fat. Fat is the main thing. And if you catch the thief, I said you robbing will not happen. So catch the exact point. Don't treat the symptom. Treat the disease, root cause. Catch the person, catch the thief, and rob it. Next time it will not happen. The thief is here. Thief is here. Mindset. Thief is here. So if you don't understand this, you go for massage, you go for a sauna belt, you go for shortcut diets, diet chart, nothing will happen. So you require a coach rather than the diet. You require somebody, coach has to take you as a mentor, you guide you step by step, keep track of you, educate you, conduct the classes. They should tell you why this is happening, why the fat coming, how to lose weight, how are they doing, then how to maintain it. They have to tell the recipes also. They have to guide you what kind of food to be kept in the refrigerator. They have to guide you what kind of food to be kept in dining table. When you go to party, how to eat. Everything they have to guide you through classes. These obesity clinics, this massage center, they don't tell you. They just give you shortcuts. And sauna belt, don't believe all that. There is not even one scientific study that proves that optimal vitamins and minerals can be got from our food. Our food is not proper nourished. So when our food itself is not balanced, how can you say that when you cut down food, the food will be sufficient? Body, definitely there will be gaps in the body, naturally ends up in long-term health problems. So our Indian veggies and foods remaining highly toxic. Our food is to be blamed because of pesticides has to be blamed, and a lot of food deterioration is happening. Nutrition deficiency is happening because of improper methods of growing and storing and cooking methods. Our growing methods are not so healthy. So previously they used to give a gap of one crop to another crop, some 2-3 months. Now one crop after the other crop kept on growing. Naturally, the mother nature itself is devoid of nutrients. Storing methods, within 6 hours from the time you pluck a tree, an apple or anything, the vitamin C level goes down. So improper storing method, improper cooking methods, the way we cook the things, deep frying, you lose a lot of nutrients. This is what IDA, Indian Dietetic Association survey, alongside National Nations of Nutrition, they kept this survey and they found out what is coming in the Genius report. So our B complex and lot of nutrients, they lost up to 73% levels. So the food what we are eating is, we are overfed but undernourished. Micronutrients up to like zinc and boron, up to 43%, they are depleted in the mother nature itself, in the soil itself. When the nature soil itself is don't have the nourishment, nutrients, how will you get to the crop, and how will you get to you, to your mouth? So that's the reason why the food what we are taking is not so much healthy compared with our ancestors. Healthy no more. So that's the reason why there are very gaps of excess and deficiencies in terms of nutrition lifestyle. Whereas what we are doing in Herbalife, we provide this balanced nutrition plus exercise plus lifestyle correction alongside of educating you, changing the mindset. And this also is part of the program. And if you understand our lifestyle, there is a paradigm shift happened. We became very busy life. Most of the time sitting, hard work. Those days they used to do manual work and they used to eat normal food, so-called normal food. We consider to be eating the same kind of normal food, but we are sitting. So it's called smart work. Our lifestyle is called sedentary lifestyle, mostly sit down. We don't burn many calories. We eat and this refined food, starches, sugars. So that's the reason why somebody has to guide you, take you through the program. Take photos at each milestone, tracking you, scanning and taking measurements, and talk while showing your results. People, they keep track of this feed, keep track of these pictures. And you can see me there in a blue t-shirt. I'm going through, I'm taking through my clients, how I'm taking care. A green t-shirt, you can see me there. Group workouts, like a community, healthy community. And we also teach them in the kitchen what kind of food to be eaten, how the food to be cooked. Okay, and we also do follow-up. We teach them what kind of food to be there in the dining table, refrigerator. We conduct a lot of classes, and we personalize person to person. Okay, and we make and serve different kind of flavors, shakes, because it's going to be simple, easy. and we recognize the clients, we celebrate your success, and we conduct healthy competitions. We also commemorate your results, and we socialize with a lot of people, so you can make a good friends. It's a community, basically a good community. Alongside we also sell the product, but it's not just a product, it's on service. 80% is service. And to get rewards by introducing people, so you will get the products also almost by free of cost or a very cheaper price when you introduce more people. So these are some of the results. You can see Madhulata got excellent results and Radha got excellent results. These people did not go to obesity clinics. They're perfect. Actually, this boy went to obesity clinic and ran away. Okay, and nobody there to guide them. Just this boy actually got a fantastic result after coming back from obesity clinic. They spent a lot of money. Father is an advocate, mom is an housewife. So Babulal, you can see a lot of changes. These people don't go to obesity clinics. This man underwent the bypass surgery before. Now after coming over here, you can see the wonderful results. He becoming very healthy at 65 years. And this ladies, you might be knowing Lavanya madam. She is a celebrity now. She comes in Telugu TV channels. So, and her husband lost weight, and the child also got into nutrition. And these are our clients. Lot of excellent results on our clients. These people did not go. This man lost about 40 kilos plus. This man lost about 53 kilos plus. These people did not go. So we do have the excellent results. So, but we don't share. We go mouth publicity. One satisfied customer give another satisfied customer. Where in the obesity clinics and massages, they do cheating. They always say this will lose weight, but no classes, nothing will happen. So the moment you stop, again bounce back. So this is me myself. I'm into this field for last 17 years. I'm 50 years now. My wife is 42 years there. Now both of us lost weight tremendously, looking great. And our goal is to make you healthier, not just only losing weight and gaining weight. Make you healthier, stronger, sustainable, and well-educated person. So I'm a former district registrar, group 1 officer from government of Andhra Pradesh. Worked there for 10 years. Then I quit my job. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner, cyclist, and CPR aid certified. I myself is Zumba, Strong by Zumba instructor. So this is what, to talk to us, we can, these are the Instagram, Facebook, and websites, YouTube channels are there. And talk to the person who has given you this video. They will help you, to step by step take you the program. And if nobody is there, talk to us, write to us, email to us. We are happy to serve you, and wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time. Please do share this video to many people so that they also can have a look. And a lot of cheating is there in the marketplace, so they also require to be understanding what is the truth and what is wrong, what is real, what is not practical, what is not practicable. So they let them understand. That will be great, great on your part for by sharing. So love to listen to you, love to meet you. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye.